JEE Advanced 2025, Paper 2, Mathematics, Question 1. Let us first visualize the function h of x equals e to the x plus x. The point x naught is where this function equals 0, meaning e to the x naught equals negative x naught. Numerically, x naught is approximately negative 0.567. Let us keep this graph as a reference while we work through the problem. The question says, let x naught be the real number such that e to the x naught plus x naught equals 0. For a given real number alpha, define g of x as shown. We need to determine which statement about the limit of the absolute value of g of x plus e to the x naught divided by x minus x naught, as x approaches x naught, is true. Before solving, let us recall the key concepts. First, the derivative of a function at a point a can be written as the limit of f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. Second, LHopital's rule allows us to evaluate 0 over 0 limits by differentiating numerator and denominator. Third, the defining property, e to the x naught equals negative x naught. Step 1, let us rewrite g of x. The numerator is 3x times e to the x plus 3x minus alpha times e to the x minus alpha x. We factor this as 3x times the quantity e to the x plus 1 minus alpha times the quantity e to the x plus x dividing by 3 times e to the x plus 1. We get g of x equals x minus alpha times h of x over 3 times e to the x plus 1, where h of x is e to the x plus x. Step 2. Now, g of x plus e to the x naught equals x plus e to the x naught minus alpha h of x over 3 times e to the x plus 1. Since e to the x naught equals negative x naught, this becomes x minus x naught minus alpha h of x over 3 times e to the x plus 1. Dividing both sides by x minus x naught, we get 1 minus alpha over 3 times h of x over the quantity e to the x plus 1 times x minus x naught. Step 3. As x approaches x naught, both h of x and x minus x naught approach 0. This is a 0 over 0 form, so we apply LHopital's rule. The limit of h of x over x minus x naught equals h prime of x naught. Since h prime of x is e to the x plus 1, we get h prime of x naught equals e to the x naught plus 1, which is negative x naught plus 1, or 1 minus x naught. Step 4. Substituting back. The limit equals 1 minus alpha over 3 times 1 minus x naught over e to the x naught plus 1. But notice that e to the x naught plus 1 also equals 1 minus x naught. So the fraction simplifies to 1. The final limit in absolute value is simply the absolute value of 1 minus alpha over 3. Step 5. Let us verify each option. For alpha equals 2, the limit is the absolute value of 1 minus 2/3, which is 1/3. Option A claims 0, and option B claims 1. Both are wrong. For alpha equals 3, the limit is the absolute value of 1 minus 1, which is 0. Option C claims 0. That is correct. Option D claims 2/3, which is wrong. The correct answer is option C. For alpha equals 3, the limit evaluates to the absolute value of 1 minus 3 over 3, which is 0. This beautiful result comes from the cancellation when alpha equals 3. Here are some important tips for JEE Advanced. Tip 1. When you encounter the equation e to the x plus x equals 0, immediately recognize that e to the x naught equals negative x naught. Tip 2. Always try to factor complex expressions and identify the 0 over 0 form for LHopital's rule. Tip 3. Remember that the derivative definition itself can evaluate many tricky limits. Tip 4. In single correct questions with negative marking, always verify by checking all 4 options. If you found this solution helpful, please like and subscribe for more JEE Advanced solutions at MAGPIEHUB. See you in the next question.